and welcome to my channel. Winter is one of my favorite seasons, and I'm happy to say that today I will be kicking off winter and holiday themed videos. If at any point the video is too fast, please click on the instructional video on how to slow the video down. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful snow globe with the mold from Mold and Shapes. If you've never been to their site, I highly recommend checking them out. They have really high quality and unique molds. The link to the mold I am using will be in the description, along with all products I will be using today. Okay, let's get started. First, I mixed a batch of resin, about 100 milliliters, and I mixed in some white alumilite pigment and some silver ignition dust glitter. I'm using a syringe for this project because this mold has a lot of small sections. I'm going to first work on the areas I want to make look like snow. Just some forewarning, this mold takes a lot of time and patience to complete. If you use a similar technique to what I'm showing you today, it will take quite a bit of time. Although this video is less than 10 minutes, I spent 5 or 6 hours in total on this mold and the project in general. One afterthought note is that if I did this again, I would allow the resin to cure each time before I moved on to the next color. There are multiple areas where there are two colors that are close together and they had some bleeding, whereas if I had allowed the resin to actually cure, I wouldn't have had as much issue, and it would have helped a lot with that bleed and also the ability to correct any mistakes. But I did make it work. Throughout the project, I just continued mixing small batches of resin as I changed color, and I used a new syringe each time. If you make any mistakes, just use a cotton swab to remove and continue the same process until all the areas in the mold you uncolored are completed, and then allow the resin to cure per the manufacturer's instructions. Now that the colored resin is cured, I mixed about 6 ounces of resin and added just a small amount of silver ignition dust glitter to the entire cup and mixed it to incorporate. Then I poured that over the entire mold to fill. Now make sure you allow the resin to cure again per the manufacturer's instructions. Now that the resin's cured, I'm going to go ahead and demold the snow globe. You'll notice later that I purchased a light bar with an opening to put the snow globe on just to elevate the piece. The snow globe is now complete. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell if you want to be notified of future videos.